So
The mbira
this is the mbira that we made.
that you made.
Oh, that I made.
Yeah.
On Mbira Clinic
Yes.
from scratch.
Yes.
We recorded every process of it, and with the Sekuru's guidance, we managed to produce something like this. Nicely decorated. You can see it's not far from Sekuru's designs. Yeah, I'm copying from the master. Okay, Sekuru, what do you have to say about this?
Right,
mbira?
your mbira is quite like Matepe, but next time, the keys, the best keys, should be a little bit thinner,
Okay.
so that they attend the sound, the expected sound, as you can hear. They are
Very
weak.
low.
That is all because they are too wide.
Okay.
They should be thin.
Thinner.
Thinner. And this, then here, it's from the bridge. You should make them thick by hammering the sides, so that when they rest there, they have chance to vibrate with a sound, with a high sound.
Okay, so this is where you are referring to
Yes,
this part here,
yes, that part there should be thickened.
thick, just like these ones.
Yeah, you see, when you play those thick ones, you see there's sound. But when you play those that you hammer, that have no
Too flat.
Too flat there. See, they are low. This part, the thickness of this part makes it attain a high sound. Otherwise, the whole instrument, well, it's quite good. It's quite good. You did well.
Thank you, Sekuru.
You did well, and I hope that you are going to improve on those.
Okay. Next time.
And the tuning. This one should be lower.
Lower.
Because it has got that one is okay. 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 Yeah. It's okay.
Okay.
It's the first mbira which you have made. I'm sure you've had the idea.
Yes.
Yes. What is left is now to make use of your ear
When tuning,
on tuning.
yeah,
Tuning is very important.
it is very important.
So, you know, when you have to attend tuning, it is after you have mastered the songs
These songs.
properly. Then you can tune.
Okay.
Yeah, but otherwise, this is not bad. It's quite a good one.
Yeah, it looks good. Just the sound is not so.
Yeah,
Well,
it is the sound that is not not yet very good. But otherwise, it looks good. You did it well. You worked well.
Thank you, Sekuru.
Yeah.
Next time, and I think I'm going to continue with the Sekuru's culture of using the spokes.
Yes.
It has proven to be working so well. Fastened, nothing moves.
Moves. Yeah.
It's
If
solid.
if you do it properly, the mbira will be solid. Yes. The keys won't give you a problem.
They
And
want.
when cutting them here,
Yeah.
you have got to leave them to give them enough
Space
space
to lay
inside.
very well
Yeah,
on
so that they don't just run out
the.
from from the pillow.
I noticed these ones when I was putting them, because there's little space here.
Yeah,
They can slip out.
they can slip out there.
But
So,
when they are inside like
inside
this,
there, yeah.
there's
Their
no
cha-
chance of it going
Their
out.
chance of doing that is very limited.
Yeah. This space is very important. This
Yes.
space. This is what we're talking about.
Yes. That space should be like that.
It should be like this. All of them.
Yeah. Of course, with a little bit knob to stick onto the pillow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see. That one.
Otherwise, it's a good one.
Okay.
So you achieved. You made it. You made your bira.
Yeah, I'm not such a bad student.
No.
And the other thing is I have a good teacher, so there's no way.
No.
You guided me all the way, so
Yes.
there's no way that I was
Yeah.
going to get it wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a good bira, that one.
Thank you, Sekuru. My first Matepe. Considering the thickness, I mean the wideness of the keys, I think I wanted to copy of a bit of Matepe, but it has proven it doesn't really work.
It doesn't work. It doesn't really work.
Oh, yeah.
Because of my baby, all of them
Yeah.
are going to be wide.
They are wide. Yes.
Yeah. So that the sound, my baby, the sound is low.
It's very low.
Now, in this case, some of the sounds are high,
High and the other ones
they
are
can't
low.
go together with the low sounds.
Yeah, I picked that. Sure, thank you. Until next time I make another one.
Yes.
I'll be
You
updating.
know what to do.
Yes.